cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some Jamaican baked chicken. Yes, I'm telling you, this right here are gonna be super delicious and so flavorful. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. So guys, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing delicious recipe like these. Thank you all so much for all the love and your support. I really appreciate it. So just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse and I pray that you all is blessed by it. So it's from Psalms 40 verse 1. So this is the word of the Lord. I wait patiently for the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. I love you, but remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So these are all of my ingredients. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 3.5 pounds of chicken and I'm using leg and thigh, skin off. I also have half onion that I cut, my fresh thyme, at least 1 tablespoon, and at least 4 cloves of garlic that I finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of my pimento seed, otherwise as allspice, and I'm also gonna add some ginger. The ginger is gonna add a lot of flavor, and this is over 2 teaspoons of my ginger. Scotch bonnet pepper, just a little bit. You don't need a lot because we all know that scotch bonnet pepper is really spicy. And you also have some dark soy. You can also use browning if you have browning, and ketchup, at least over 3 tablespoons of my ketchup, and sugar, 2 tablespoons of my granulated sugar. You can also use brown sugar. And these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my jerk powder seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my chicken seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my black pepper, 1 tablespoon of my paprika, and 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder. If you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can use any season of your choice, right? So just before I season my chicken, I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. Yeah, like so. Then I'm also gonna add some of my onions. I am not gonna add all of it, just a little bit, not so much. Yeah, that's it. Leave back this amount. And I'm also gonna add my garlic, not all of it. I'm gonna leave back some for my sauce that I'm gonna make later on. And I'm also gonna add some of my fresh thyme. It's already washed. Just remove any leaf, yeah, like that. And I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my ketchup, yeah, like that. And the ketchup is just gonna help the marinade. And some browning, at least ½ teaspoon of my browning. You don't need a lot because you don't want it to be, too dark. My seasoning, I'm just gonna mix till combine. Like so. I'm gonna leave back some also for my gravy. I'm gonna leave back this amount. So now I'm just gonna take my hands and just massage all that seasoning. Yeah, you wanna massage all that seasoning all over onto your chicken. Yeah, so that's my scotch bonnet pepper. I add at least ½ teaspoon. You don't need to add a lot. If you don't have the scotch bonnet pepper, you just skip that part out. You can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or so, or even overnight. But as I always said, once you season your meat, your chicken properly, it will still be delicious. Yes. So this is all finished. So now I'm gonna bake my chicken. So this is my baking pan. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil. Yeah, like that. Just take my brush and just brush it. And now I'm gonna add my chicken. Or what you can also do, you can add at least over 1 tablespoon of water to the bowl that you use to season the chicken. Now rinse it out like, and just add it. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven on 180 degrees Celsius. You can put your oven on 380 degrees, okay? So while my chicken is in my oven baking, I'm gonna make my sauce for my chicken. So to my pot right here, I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my oil. So as my oil heated up, I'm gonna add my onions first. I'm also gonna add my garlic and just allow it to saute for at least 20 seconds. So just over 20 seconds, this is what it looks like. So my seasoning that leave back, I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water. You wanna mix it in. Make sure that your stove is turned on. Then I'm just gonna add it to my pot like so. And then I'm gonna add my ginger, my fresh thyme, and my pimento seed. Just add it all. And I'm also gonna add my dark soy. As I said, you can also add browning, but just don't add enough. Mix it in. Also gonna add my tomato ketchup. My sugar. And you're just gonna mix till combine. You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any more of your seasoning, you can always add. I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil until it became, you know, thicken.
Subscribe for more of these delicious recipes. Hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipes.
So my sauce is all finished. As you can see, it is nice and thick, and that's exactly what you want. So that's perfect. So guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven, and it's been in the oven for at least just over 40 minutes. I know I did say 35 minutes, but it's actually over 40 minutes, right? So as you can see, a lot of liquid is at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my spoon and just pour on all that, you know, liquid, so it keep nice and moist. And I'm also gonna remove the remaining liquid. You can use it to make gravy. I'm gonna add my sauce to my chicken. Look at all that goodness. I'm telling you, this right here, it is so flavorful. Just gonna add it just like so. Then I'm gonna take a brush and just brush it on. Yeah, so once I finish add my sauce onto my chicken, I'm just gonna put it in my oven for at least 10 minutes, okay? So guys, my chicken is all finished and I'm telling you, it looking absolutely delicious. This recipe right here, it is a must try. It looks so good. As you can see, the sauce is all stick on the chicken and that's exactly what you want. So guys, I hope you all do enjoy this amazing, delicious recipe. If you try it, please comment below and tell me what it's like. You can serve it with some Jamaican rice and peas, some plain rice, some mashed potato, whatever of your choice. It is a must try. Also, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing, delicious recipes like these. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Yum.
For more of these delicious recipes, hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms. For more of these amazing delicious recipes from Jody Cooking.